Let's talk about the hypothalamus and the pituitary gland. In our discussion about the pituitary gland, we must first address the relationship it has with the hypothalamus. The pituitary gland is made up of two subparts. The anterior pituitary gland, which is also called the adenohypophysis, and the posterior pituitary gland, which is called the neurohypophysis. And their names are derived from the relationship each of them has with the hypothalamus. The anterior pituitary gland is purely endocrine. It is made up of hormone-secreting cells and a very elaborate capillary bed. On the other hand, the posterior pituitary gland is really just an extension of the hypothalamus. Hence its name, the neurohypophysis. The anterior pituitary gland is controlled by the hypothalamus. Short hypothalamic neurons secrete controlling hormones into a capillary bed called the hypophyseal portal system. Those hormones travel directly to the anterior pituitary gland, where the anterior pituitary gland will then secrete its hormones. So as you can see, the relationship between the anterior pituitary gland and the hypothalamus is classically endocrine. On the other hand, longer hypothalamic neurons project directly into the posterior pituitary gland. Hormones are stored in the axon terminals of those long hypothalamic neurons, and when stimulated, release their hormones. And so while those hormones reside in the posterior pituitary gland, they're really stored in axons that originate in the hypothalamus. And so the relationship between the posterior pituitary gland and the hypothalamus is nervous in origin. It's not endocrine at all.